his own subscriptions for some platforms which were like really good for DSA and stuff. So that was a big help for me. I couldn't being a student, I don't have that financial bandwidth to take a lot of paid subscription. So he had a lot of subscriptions, so he gave me that. Sir, I'm Adwaith. I'm currently doing my master's in IIT Guwahati. Before joining here, I was working for 3-4 years in an IT company back in Kerala, and my main objective was to switch my profile from being a web dev to a systems engineer. So that's when I got to know about Preplaced from some WhatsApp group, and I joined and I chose Vikas as my mentor. Yeah, I thought basically I've been trying to prepare for interviews, but the thing is that I never had a proper roadmap or a plan to how to prepare, what to prepare, and from where to prepare. So at one point I understood that it won't happen from my side, so I need mentorship. And yeah, by chance I stumbled upon Preplaced. Yeah, I went through the profiles of each mentor. So I wanted someone experienced who had a lot of experience in the industry. So at that time when I went through, I saw Vikas's profile, and he seemed to be really experienced and has a lot of work experience. So getting someone with 2 years of experience, sometimes that guy might be really good, but does he have the caliber to mentor somebody? That's something that I was looking at. So I thought somebody experienced would work out for me, and it did.
As you said, right, you didn't have a plan ahead before.
Yeah, I told, then he said yeah, you are preparing for placements and such. Then he drew out a 3 months plan for me, what to do, how to do it. So first month DSA, then high level design, then low level design, and then yeah, so we planned it like that.
Things has Vikas help you out overall during this whatever you planned, right? What all things did you carry out during the course of
So initially he gave me his own subscriptions for some platforms which were really good for DSA and stuff. So that was a big help for me. I couldn't being a student, I don't have that financial bandwidth to take a lot of paid subscription. So he had a lot of subscriptions, so he gave me that. Then after that, for HLD and LLD, he conducted classes for me, 2 or 3 classes. Then he told me which all articles to read. He used to send me articles and other stuff to read. So thank him, rather than being a mentor, he was emotionally supportive throughout the journey. Even when the placement scenario was looking bleak, he used to call me every day and he used to say, don't give up hope, you can, you will finally get what you are supposed to get. You have worked really hard for the last 3 months, and stuff like that he used to call and tell me. I think rather than being a mentor, emotional support at that particular moment was more crucial. So I think he extended. He was like a big brother to me. That, I think that's more. I felt it helped a lot. So I would thank him for that mentorship plus emotional support.
Understood. Got it. Awesome. Yeah, as in we generally define mentorship as something, and that is what we strive here at Preplaced also. And by God's grace, it has been like that people the mentors that we've got, very good mentors, they don't look at it sort of this relation as a very transactional but they all of them have one goal in mind, which is more around I have got a mentee now. I want to make sure that they're achieving their goal and whatever is needed. If you see even the long-term mentorship, we don't sort of keep a cap on number of sessions or how many times you can talk or do and all these things. The reason behind that is also the same, that whatever is needed to get you to your goal as such, a mentor will do. And I think Vikas is one of the top mentors. You've chosen a very good mentor, and I think he does it in a very, like, I've never seen a mentee complain anything about you, and they sort of treat him like almost equivalent to a god, like what people say about like being a guru, right? So
Mhm.
I've seen that. So it really feels good. So like, thank you so much for letting me know about this.